Good evening everyone, my name is Mariflor Dihito and tonight I am going to discuss about the understanding the basic concept in ICT or Information and Communication Technology. So there are 8 terms and concepts in ICT. First is technology. So what is technology? Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in the application of knowledge. So for example of technology is a laptop, cell phone, camera. Next is the information and communication technology literacy or ICT literacy. It is a use of digital technology, communication tools, and or network to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society. Next, we have educational technology. It is refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. Next is the digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication requiring both cognitive and technical skills. For example is kanang YouTube. So, diha sa YouTube ang mga vlogger kay maka-create og content, maka-share og information. Next is the digital learning. So the digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. For example, ani is online learning, blended learning, or face-to-face learning. Next is the online digital tools and apps use an internet connection. Common example aning online digital kay ang Skype, kanang Messenger, wherein ang mga tao kay maka-share sila og information or kanang maka-video call. Next is the offline digital tools and apps. It includes Canary learning. It allows offline access for students to write homework and for teachers to grade it. Ebooks, Kalite. Kalite is a lightweight web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercises in completely offline settings. For example, aning offline digital tools and app is kanang asynchronous classes. Asynchronous classes kanang maghatag ra og kanang activity ang mga teachers din ila na siyang graduhan. The instructional technology. So what is instructional technology? It is the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the processes and resources for learning. For example, kanang mga apps nga maka-learn ta, nya makakuha tag information, sama ng Google. Let's move on to software. So software refers to program, control instructions, and accompanying documents stored on disks or tapes when not being used in computers. So software is kanang mga sulod sa kanang imuhang computer, kanang mga apps sa computer like WPS, PowerPoint, Google, Chrome, o uban pa. Next is multimedia. It's a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentations or self-study programs. Examples sa multimedia kay kanang mga games, gallery, music o kanang mga video. Next is the internet or the network. It is a massive network of networks and networks infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. So without internet, dili ta access of information. Next is the World Wide Web, or WWW. It is also called as web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documentations that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the internet. So, ang kaning World Wide Web kay makakuan ta ani maka-access, maka-view og kanang mga documentations. Next is the web access. It is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. For example, aning web access kanang http http/www. Next is WebQuest. It is an inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. These can be created using various programs including simple word processing documents that include links to website. So ang kaning WebQuest kay kaning mga link na siya, then kanang ma-open ra siya nga link. Next is kanang productivity tools. It is refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools or for personal, professional, or classroom productivity. Example, kanang Excel, OneNote, Outlook, Word, or PowerPoint, kanang mga apps nga pwede magamit sa pang-eskwela or kanang pang-work. Next is technology tools. It is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that can help you accomplish your goal with the use of the technology. First example of technology tools is the data or calculation tools. Example kay ang Excel. So ang Excel magamit ni siya for computation of grades. Next is the design tools. For example, kanang Minecraft, diha ta maka-design og kanang mga balay o kanang mga dream nimo nga himuon. Next is the discussion tools. Sama anang computer, then sa email og handheld device, for example, kanang cellphone, computer, tablet. Next is blog. Blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. Three kinds includes blogs for communication, blogs for instruction, and blogs for both. For example, kanang mag-post ang teacher din ang student kay mo comments. Ang wiki, it is an editable website usually with limited access, allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files such as digital photos or videos. Example aning wiki kay ang Wikipedia. So ang Wikipedia kay dili na siya anang katuhuan ang iyang answer kay pwede na siya ma-edit sa uban, editable ra siya iyang answer. The next is the flipped classroom. It utilizes a reverse instructional delivery where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson, which will be discussed during class time. Example ani nga nang maghatag og ang Google Meet nga link ang teacher. Podcast. It is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of the radio talk show. Two basic functions are to retrieve information and to disseminate information. For example, ani kay is radio. So, ang radio kay maka-disseminate siya og information. Google Apps. It is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in a Google server and is available for students for both at home and in school. Example ani kay Google, email, Drive, Docs, Slides. Muna siya maka-access ta og information din maka-store sa ta og Google server. para sa school. Next is vlog. Vlog is a video blog wherein each entry is posted as video instead of the text. For example, ani ka ng mga vloggers sa YouTube, diha sila maka-create sila og contents, mo na siya gitawag og vlog. Next is Facebook. Facebook is a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Owner ani Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. So, dili ta maka-access po ta og information. Next is VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol. It is a category of hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium of telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission. So as you can see in the picture, mao na ang VoIP. So that's all of my report. Thank you for